Hello all students. Today we will learn subject EVS Environmental Studies chapter 20 eating together. In this chapter you will come to know that how fun it is and how pleasuring it is to have a food with friends, relatives, a family. Let us see. Class party. The school reopens today after the vacation. The children share news about how they spend their holidays. When did you put mehendi on your palms? Meena asked to Aarti. At my uncle's wedding, Aarti said. You must have had lot of fun at the wedding. David said. Oh yes, I enjoyed the wedding feast the most. Wedding feast मतलब शादी का खाना. Aarti said. At the wedding, we had fun with all my cousins and the relatives, eating and doing everything together. Aarti said. Why don't we do something like this in school? Let us also have some fun together, रहना asked. रहना पूछती है कि ऐसी कोई शादी में जैसे खाना खाते हैं वैसे ही हम लोग स्कूल में क्यों नहीं करते? David says, I had an idea. Why don't we have a class party? Then we can also eat and have fun together. We have parties in our colony whenever there is a festival. We collect money from everyone for the party. We cook some dishes and buy some things from the market. Rehana said. रेहाना कहती है कि हम लोग हमारी कॉलोनी में जब ऐसी पार्टी करते हैं तो ऐसा करते हैं कि कुछ पैसे इकट्ठा करते हैं और उसमें से कुछ बाहर की चीज़ें लाते हैं और कुछ वहीं पे बना के एंजॉय करते हैं. Reena said, we don't need a festival to have a party. Saturday is a half day. Why don't we plan to have our party then? तो सैटरडे ही क्यों प्लान नहीं करते जबकि वो हाफ डे है. हमें किसी फेस्टिवल की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Everyone in the class decided that each would bring the part for the party. On Saturday, the children really enjoyed their party. There was so much variety in food. They played so many games. Everybody was so relaxed. There was singing and dancing too. They decided that they would have such party again. उन्होंने इतना मज़ा किया कि उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि चलो कई बार ऐसी पार्टी बार बार रखेंगे. Write in your notebook. Do you like to eat with others? Yes. On what occasions do you eat together with your friends? आप ऐसा कौन सा ओकेजन होता है जब फ्रेंड्स के साथ खाना खाते हो? So it could be a birthday party. Have you ever had a party in your class? When? What all did you do to arrange a party? आपने स्कूल में कभी ऐसा पार्टी रखा था कब और आपने उसमें क्या किया था? You'll be writing here. Yes, we had a party in our class when it was an annual function. We brought food from our home and we shared with our friends. What did you and your classmate bring to the party? Some of my class friends brought chatais, some of them paper dishes, paper glasses, and some of my friends brought food. What all did you eat? We ate different kind of foods. We ate bhel, we ate chapati with sabji, we ate pulao, we ate pav bhaji, different kind of cuisines. Who were the people you invited for your party? We invited our and the next door classmates. Were there some people who worked in your school whom you could not invite? Who were these people? We could not invite the people who were absent on that day. Otherwise, we have invited almost everyone. Did you wear any special dress for the party? No, we did not. We were in our uniforms. What are the things that you can do to make the party great fun for everyone? Discuss. We can play games, we can dance, we can take up sportsly participation in each and every game, and we will not fight with any of the person for any reason. Celebrating Bihu. Sanmoni woke up early and ran to meet his friends Tanveer, Fatima and Mazani. ये आसाम की बात है जहाँ का ये फेस्टिवल है बिहू. ये हार्वेस्टिंग टाइम पे होता है in a year 3 times. So let us read. सोनमोनी अपनी फ्रेंड्स को मिलने जाती है. Today was a special day in Assam. The new rice crop had been harvested. The village was celebrating the festival of Bihu. The 4 friends sang and chatted happily as they made the bhelaghar from bamboo. Let us read how they celebrate Bihu. Sunmoni, hurry up. We must finish making bhelaghar of grass and bamboo before the feast night. Tanvir, yes, today is Uruka. The whole village will eat together. Fatima, have they started preparing the feast? Sunmoni, yes, everyone has contributed money to buy their bora, rice, fish and vegetables. They also arranged wood for Mezi. Haria and Badia have not given money, but they are helping with all the work. Sometimes it happens that people are not able to provide or give money, so what they do, they contribute in the work. Fatima, what about the meat, fish and vegetables? Sunmoni, some people have gone to market to buy all those things. The bora rice has been soaked. The whole village is busy making pitha. एक पीठा नाम की चीज़ है जो सब विलेज के लोग उसको बनाने में बिजी हो गए हैं और उन्होंने बोरा राइस को भिगो के रख दिया है. Some people are cooking and some are roasting the sweet potatoes. Some will have the help to serve the food at night. In the evening, everyone will be served tea and pitha. Tanvir, I am waiting to eat the cheva rice that we will get at feast. I really love it. Fatima, how will the cheva rice be prepared? Sunmoni, they will light a fire, boil the water in the big tao, matlab big vessel. On this vessel, they will put the kadai contained soaked rice and covered it with banana leaves. After some time, the cheva rice will be cooked and ready to eat. Let us talk. What is the festival of? Where is the festival of Bihu celebrated? It is celebrated in Assam. Which are the festivals you celebrated together with your families, with other families? This should be written by the students. For an example, I can give the answer Diwali. Does everyone cook and eat together on such festivals? Yes. What are some of the special dishes that are cooked? How are they cooked? जैसे कि मठिया है, फाफड़ा है, चेवड़ा है, मिक्सचर है, ये सब बनाया जाता है. तो you can write the answers here. Are some special vessels used for cooking these items? What are they? ये आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ के आंसर लिख सकते हो. Which is the biggest vessel that is used? Can you draw a picture of it? Can you guess how many people can eat the food that cooked in it at once? You can ask to your parents about this. Moving further, the bhelaghar was ready. The 4 friends ran off to change their clothes. Soon all the people in the village got together at one place. The women were dressed in pat and mugga, mekhla, chador. Sunmoni and her friends ran to the bhelaghar. The drums started to play and everyone started to sing and dance. Everyone danced till they were tired. Then they all sat down on the ground in rows and ready to eat. The food was served on banana leaves. Everyone enjoyed the feast. That night they stayed in बेलागर. बेलागर में वो सब लोग वहाँ पे रुके थे जब वहाँ पे जो फेस्टिवल था वो लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे. Some were dancing, some were singing और उसके बाद सब खाना खा के वहीं पे रुके थे. Mazoni, Sunmoni, we should go and sleep now. We have to get up early tomorrow to light the mezi and बेलागर also. उनको लाइट करना है, मतलब उसको सुलगाना है, जलाना है. तो उन्होंने बोला कि हमें अभी सोना चाहिए, हमें टुमारो अर्ली उठना पड़ेगा. Find out and do. Can you guess how many people must have eaten together in the village feast? Have you ever seen the Bihu dance? No. Did you like it? Yes, of course. Every different state has their own folk dances and folk things like songs and everything. They are really fabulous to watch. Find out from the students in your class the festival that they celebrated and special food that they that they eat on these days. Who cooks the special food for festivals? यहाँ पे आप अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प ले सकते हो. Like North India, Maharashtrian, South Indians, they have Gujaratis, they have different their festival and they do cook a special food on this festivals. Do you wear clothes of some special colors on some festivals? Make a picture of this clothes in your notebook. Are there special songs that sung at different festival in your place? Learn some of these songs and sing them in the class. Here, learn some special festival dances. Performed this with your friends in your school assembly. When you meet friends of your own age, do you do anything special like a play game, chat or watch a movie? What else do you do? This is done by students. Midday meal. It is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The smell of the food cooking is coming from the veranda and our stomach are rumbling. मतलब चूहे दौड़ना जो अंदर गुड़ गुड़ करता है पेट में वो. We are so hungry. We are not able to pay attention to the lesson in the class. सबको भूख लगी है दोपहर के 1 बजे. अब तो नहीं आने वाले भी सारे खाने की खुशबू सबको आने लगेगी. Ding ding ding. At last now the bell rang. All the children ran out and went to wash their hands. Very good habit. One should have washed their hands before eating anything. Master Musai sent all the children to the hand pump at the corner of the courtyard. Anando, see that everyone washes their hand properly. He called. वो बोलते हैं आनंदो को कि देखो सब लोग अपने हाथ ढंग से धो रहे हैं वो चेक करो. After washing our hands, we all stood in a queue to take our food. Some had their own boxes and other had plates. Then we all sat down in the circle with our food. Before we started to eat, we sang together. This is a prayer that everyone used to sing before they eat. It is Thanksgiving. We play together, we eat together for the good of everyone. We will always be together. Today there is a shukto, rice with vegetable and gravy in our meal. Yesterday we had luchi and chola dal. Outside Didi Moni's room, a list of food items has been displayed. It tells what we will get on different days of the week. Would it not be wonderful if on some day we got an extra treat, maybe something sweet? अगर ऐसा होता तो कितना अच्छा होता ना कि एक दिन हमें स्वीट भी खाने को मिलता. That is another an interesting thing about lunchtime at a school. Every day we change our place in the circle and sit next to the different child. I really like this because I can meet new children and make new friends. The food was not always very nice. Sometimes rice was was of poor quality. Sometimes it was not properly cooked. Some parents did not like their children to eat their such food. अभी जब बहुत सारे बच्चों के लिए बनाया जाता है खाना तो कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि खाना ढंग से बनता नहीं है. Didi Moni explained to them it was everyone's duty to make sure that the children got fresh, hot and properly cooked food. Also make sure that every child gets afternoon meal regularly. The parents also decided to help. Now things are better. We eat fresh, hot and properly cooked food together. The younger children sometimes cannot finish all the food, but my friends and I are sometimes still a little hungry even after we eat. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आफ्टरनून मील जो होता है वो स्कूल की तरफ से मिलता है तो सबको सेम क्वांटिटी में मिलता है. तो कोई बच्चे खा सकते हैं तो कोई बच्चे भूखे भी रह जाते हैं, उनको वो क्वांटिटी भी कम पड़ती है. बट एटलीस्ट इतना अच्छा है कि आप ना खाए उससे बेटर है कुछ तो खा के आए. बिकॉज जब टमी फुल होता है तो हमारा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, हमारा ब्रेन ज़्यादा वर्क करता है. इन द एम्प्टी स्टमक इट विल नॉट वर्क. Nowadays, many schools give food in the school during the day. It was not always like this. When my Didi was in the primary school, children did not get afternoon meal in the school. Some children come to school in the morning without eating anything. Imagine having to study on empty stomach. कोई भी इमेज नहीं कर पाएगा कि खाली पेट पे पढ़ाई करनी है. पहले ही पढ़ाई के नाम से तो वैसे भी पेट में चूहे दौड़ने लगते हैं, तो वरना खाना बिना खाए खाना मम्मी बोले कि पढ़ाई करो तो मन लगेगा नहीं. Write about the food given in your school. If you do not get food in school, ask a friend or someone else who gets a food in the school. What time is the meal served? What do you get in the meal at the school? Do you like the midday meal that you get इज़ द फूड दैट यू गेट इनफ टू यू? यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स आपको खुद से लिखने हैं. Do you bring your own plates or do you get it in school? Who serves the food? Do your teacher eat with you? Is the week's menu put up on the school's board? What will you get on Wednesday and Friday? If you got a chance to change the menu for the meal in the school, what would you like to change? What would you like to eat? Make your own menu. यहाँ पे आपका खुद का मेनू बनाना है कि मंडे, वेडनेसडे, फ्राइडे आप क्या खाना पसंद करेंगे. इफ़ यू डू नॉट गेट फूड इन द स्कूल, फाइंड आउट वाई. कि अगर आपके स्कूल में खाना नहीं मिलता है तो क्यों है ऐसा, वो आपको लिखना है. इन आवर स्कूल वी डू नॉट गेट द फूड बिकॉज वी all the students are bringing their own lunch box. Midday meal, every child's right. It is a government rule. Many children in our country are not able to even get even one full meal every day. Many of them go to school empty stomach and cannot study properly. Some years ago, the highest court of our country gave an important decision. All children up to elementary school should be provided with hot cooked food. This is the right of every child. Where will you lodge your complaint about the midday meal? यहाँ पे हम कहाँ पे कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं? Find out the toll free number, website, email address to make a complaint. तो ये बच्चों को खुद से लिखना है, खुद से find out करना है with the help of parents. I hope you have understood the story and you liked it, knowing about the new festival Bihu, and you have enjoyed the story completely. Eating together is one of the best habit that one can develop in himself or herself. तो जब भी घर पे भी खाना खाए, फैमिली के साथ मिलजुल के खाए.